So welcome to another session of Everyday Mathematics. Here at Everyday Mathematics, as we always say, we do enjoy solving the harder problems, but above all, we also see and appreciate the beauty in the simpler problems. So previously, we had embarked on looking at the ceiling and the floor functions in the regular season of the MIT 2022 Integration B. And today we stepping forward to the quarterfinals of the same MIT 2022 Integration B. And this is our first part of the quarterfinals. We have one problem that will be of focus today, and that is the integration of, let me, just a minute, the sawtooth wave function, and I'll explain what this means, of x over x from x equals to 1 to x equals to 2022. So this is a very interesting problem. It's a very simple problem also. Just what is needed here is interpreting the sawtooth wave function. Now, before I jump into the solution, I'd like to shout out to our subscribers. Thank you so much. We appreciate your support. We don't take it for granted. And that's why we come here every day to make it up to you. For our first-time visitors, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. We promise you won't regret. If you're still on the fence after visiting our channel for once or twice and haven't decided yet, please consider. We can only say, hey, we need your support. So this integration problem, as I said, is interesting. The first thing that we'd like to highlight is what a sawtooth wave function looks like. It is the difference of, if we have a sawtooth function of x, it's the difference of x and the floor function of x. Now, what is a floor function of x? A floor function of x is a function that allows us to see x when it's in the interval between integer k and k plus 1 in such a way that the floor function will be k. So for the entire interval k to k plus 1, we have some form of discretization where we just have value k. So essentially now, our integration problem now becomes that we do now have this form of discretization of that interval from 1 to 2022 in such a way that we'll just sum up those strips. And in every strip now, we have x minus k, since the floor function is k, over x. And then we'll integrate within those strips, and then we sum up the results that we get from integrating our function within the respective strips. So that means that x divided by x is 1, and then k divided by x is k over x, obviously. And then the integral of that definitely is, we have x minus k, natural logarithm of x, and then we have the limits k and k plus 1. And then we sum all those strips from k equals to 1 to 2021. And so after substituting the limits, obviously k plus 1 substituted to x, and k substituted to x, k plus 1 minus k is 1. And so we'll just be summing 1 in all those strips. And then k plus 1 into k log x is k plus 1 minus k log k, and that results into k log k plus 1 over k. And so we can try to simplify that further, and this k log k plus 1 minus k log k. You can now inductively express this in such a way that now 2021 is what you get from adding 1 across all those strips. And then we have log 2 minus log 1 when k is equals to 1, 2 log 3 minus 2 log 2 when k equals to 2, 3 log 4 minus 3 log 3 when k is equals to 3, and so on up to 2021 log 2022 minus 2021 log 2021 when k is equals to 2021. Now, as you can see, this 2 here gets reduced to 1 when we consider this first log 2, and this 3 log 3 gets reduced to log 3 when you factor this 2 log 2 into consideration. So what we get eventually is that we have this final value of 21 log 2021 log 2022 minus log 1 here plus log 2 plus log 3 all the way to the 1 log 2021 that gets reduced after considering this previous value here. So this means that now we have 2021 minus 2021 log 2022 minus log 1 times 2 times 3 all the way to 2021, because the laws of logarithm or the rules of logarithm tells us that when you're summing up these independent log values, it's the same as the log of the product of those respective values. So taking this up, and this one here obviously is 2021 factorial. So when we take this constant up, it becomes log 2022 to the power 2021. And since we have a minus here, becomes divided by log 2021 factorial. So the answer after integrating our problem is 2021 minus natural logarithm of 2022 to the power 2021 over 2021 factorial. So very interesting problem. I think it's easy, very intuitive how we presented it. If you have any question, please leave a comment in the comment section. You can also shoot us an email if you have any question and you want further clarification. If you like what you see, please tap on that like button. Any support that you can give us, we would really appreciate it. We do enjoy solving the harder problems, and that is the essence of everyday mathematics. Thank you very much. Until next time, bye-bye.